In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your checkout page on Shopify, a crucial step for any online business to ensure smooth transactions and satisfied customers. Whether you're new to Shopify or just fine-tuning your store, setting up your checkout page is an essential task you shouldn't overlook. First things first, navigate to My Store on your Shopify dashboard to kick off this process. Once you're there, you'll see various settings that you can play around with. Among these, there is an option labeled Checkout. Click on it. This will bring you to the configuration settings where you can customize how your checkout page will function and appear to your customers. Once you're in the configurations, the first option to look into is Customer Contact Method. Here, you'll decide what contact information customers are required to provide during checkout. Typically, an email or phone number is needed, but you can choose to allow both or just one. This flexibility helps cater to different customer preferences and can potentially increase conversion rates if it's not too restrictive. Following that, you should click on Customer Information. This section allows you to select which fields customers need to fill out. Consider what basic details are necessary for your business operations and ensure they're selected here. Remember, a streamlined process here makes it easier for customers to complete their purchases, which is always a good thing. Now, let's move to the marketing options. This section enables you to integrate any marketing efforts you might want to piggyback on the checkout process. Whether it's signing up for newsletters or promotional offers, ensuring these are set up correctly can be a great way to maintain customer engagement and encourage repeat business. Next up is the tipping section. If your business involves services that might earn tips, it's crucial to have this section correctly configured. You can set up preset tip amounts or allow customers to tip an amount of their choosing if they feel your service merits it. Then there's the post-purchase page, where you can thank your customers or promote additional products or services. Make this page engaging yet simple, ensuring customers leave your store with a positive experience. Another important element is checkout language. It's vital to ensure the language of every step during checkout is consistent and aligns with your brand's tone. Shopify allows you to adjust this language to suit different customer demographics proficiently. Moreover, head to the Advanced Preferences, which lets you dive deeper into customizations to tailor the checkout experience precisely to your business model and customer expectations. This includes everything from specifying form options to customizing your checkout flow. Finally, review checkout rules. Setting specific rules ensures that there's clarity and consistency during the checkout process. Align these rules with your business policies so there are no missed expectations on either end. By following these steps, you can successfully set up a checkout page that is optimized for both your business and customers, ensuring a seamless transaction process every time. Happy Shopify selling!